Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter 18 of EVS. The name of the chapter is Clothes We Wear. Introduction. Early man used to cover his body with dry leaves or skin of animals. Later on, man learned to make clothes with the use of natural fibers like cotton, wool and silk. Later on, man also learned to make synthetic fibers such as nylon, rayon, polyester, etc. People living in different parts of India wear different types of clothes. The type of cloth one wears depends upon the climate, economic status, cultural and religious beliefs along with current trends and style. Women of India mostly wear saris, salwar kameez and ghangra choli. Men usually wear shirt pant, dhoti kurta and kurta pajama. Unstitched clothes. Sari. It is the national dress of Indian women. Women wear sari in different ways in different parts of the country. The length of the sari also varies from place to place. Lungi. It is usually worn with a shirt. In Tamil Nadu, the lungi is called vesti, while in Kerala it is called mundu. Another part of lungi is tehmat, which is made of silk and is worn by the people of Punjab. Dhoti kurta is worn in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, etc. Turban. Men in some states wear an unstitched cloth called turban, pagdi, as headgear. The turbans are worn in different styles in different regions. Shawl. Shawl is an unstitched cloth worn by both men and women. Loi and khas are used by men in winters. Dupatta and scarves. Dupatta is a piece of cloth which is worn by women to cover their head and upper part of their body. It is also called as orni and chunni. Scarves are worn by both men and women to cover their neck and head during winters. It is made either from cotton, wool, or silk fabrics. Coloring clothes. Colors. There are three basic colors: red, blue, and yellow. Many colors can be made by mixing these colors. A cloth is dyed by dipping it in a colored solution of water, dyes, and chemicals. These dyes, made from vegetables and flowers, are called natural dyes. Saffron is a yellow dye which we get from its plant. Colored clothes should be washed separately. Patterns on cloth. Tie and dye. It is a method of creating patterns by tying off areas on the cloth very tightly so that the dye does not reach them. The rest of the cloth is then dyed. This method is called bandhani and it belongs to Rajasthan. Vegetables printing. It is done by cutting and dipping vegetables in paint. The vegetables are then pressed on the cloth to be printed to form beautiful patterns. Embroidery. It is a method of creating patterns on a cloth with the help of needle and colorful threads. Nowadays, we use sewing machines for creating beautiful patterns. Block printing. It is done with wooden blocks. Different designs are carved on a wooden block which is then dipped in colors. The block is then pressed on the cloth to make different patterns. I hope you all have understood the lesson. Thank you and bye bye.